I got started in medicine, boy, that goes back quite a few years. I first got an interest in medicine when I was 10, and my little baby sister got a cold, and I just didn't know what to do, and I figured a doctor would know what to do. And since I always enjoyed doing sciences, that sparked the initial interest, and I was like, this is what I'm going to do. I worked really hard. Went to high school locally here in Delray at Atlantic High School, completed the IB program there, and then went down to the University of Miami. In the interim, I did, experience following other physicians and just found my calling. I decided on family medicine and to be a primary care provider during medical school, and I picked a match program actually at still at Jackson Memorial Hospital, where we were able to do OB, delivering babies, taking care of children, adults, and the elderly with an acute inpatient unit. Got to experience both the trauma unit and the MICUs down there. But what really pulled me was doing my regular follow-up visits with my patients in the clinic, and that's what I loved doing, was seeing them from one every 3 months or every 2 months to make sure their diabetes was doing well, hypertension, that they were trying to get their exercise, to help them work on their goals for weight loss. This is a new opening for a family physician practice. We're going to be seeing predominantly ages 15 and up, so our adults, men, women, and elderly, and providing primary care, whether that's an urgent acute care visit or chronic care visits for chronic diseases and well checks. So we're located kind of Midwest Boca. It's where Camino Real dead ends into Powerline, and all the way in the back, it's a very nice little plaza with lots of fountains and outdoor walking. The office is located at 7100 West Camino Real, Suite 121. I would be happy if you want to come in and see me and start a relationship.